Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, you will find out how you can create AI images for free with Stable Diffusion WebUI. If you're looking for a free tool to create high-quality AI images with just a prompt, then here is how you can do it by using Stable Diffusion. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for Stable Diffusion. Click on the first link that pops up and it will take you to the main website. First things first, you'll need to sign in or sign up with an account. Just click on the login button from the top right corner and you can then sign up with your email or just continue with your Google account. Now this will be the interface you'll see. Here you can create AI images by just describing what you want. For example, select the style of the image you want, like design, animation, cinematic, etc. You can scroll down and change the aspect ratio. Just slide this to choose what aspect ratio you want to use. Choose the number of images from here. And also you can click this advanced controls button to change the guidance scale. Or if you want to use fixed seed, once that's all is set up, you can add in your prompt. Just add all the details of the image you want to generate. Go as detailed as possible. And once done, click on Generate. And as you can see, Stable Diffusion has generated the AI image. According to my prompt, you can edit the picture by clicking this Edit button. You'll be directed to the Image Editing tab, where you can easily edit it with prompts. Stable Diffusion also provides features like Image Upscaler and Background Remover. So if you want to use them, you can do it by clicking on the tab. And that is how you can create AI images for free with Stable Diffusion WebUI in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.